In this session, we are going to learn how to configure Xdebug with PHPStorm and local by Flywheel. So first up, I am going to open local and create a new site. By the time it is downloading, let's install one plugin, Xdebug plus PHPStorm. This is going to add necessary config files that will allow our site to launch with Xdebug enabled. So I'm going to click on add run configuration to PHPStorm. It's going to give an error because we haven't opened the project in PHPStorm yet. So let's start the site. If this error comes and local is having trouble starting up the locals router, just close it and restart your system. That's the simplest solution to that. Okay, once back, just open local by Flywheel, start the site. This time it is not going to give you any error. And let's go to the folder. You will have to open this particular folder, app/public in PHPStorm. So the config is already here. It was added by the plugin. And just go to settings and in PHP debug, uncheck these two items, or else it is going to stop on every request, which is something we do not want. We only want to break on breakpoints rather than on every page load. I'm creating a breakpoint in WP config. That way the execution will stop at this particular point. Let's open the site in our browser. In our browser, we will need to install an extension named Xdebug helper. This extension is going to add necessary headers that will allow the PHP server to know that this particular request needs to be debugged. So even now, we are not stopping at the breakpoint. So something is incorrect, which is in the config php php.ini, edit it with the editor. Just add xdebug.mode is equals to debug. After that, you will need to restart the site in local. And click on start listening for debug connections. So as you can see, it stopped the execution at the breakpoint, and we can get all the values of all the globals, constants, super globals here.